Joining me right now is Pankaj Upadhyay. He's reporting from outside the Sena Bhavan there. Pankaj, clearly, if you go by the exit polls, big gains being made by the BJP, the Sena emerging as the second biggest gainer in the state. Obviously, this opens up a possibility for many, exciting possibilities rather, as soon as that verdict is out this Sunday.
And that's right, Sana. State after state seem to be falling in Modi's bag now. His popularity is soaring by the day. What we are witnessing in Mumbai is unprecedented. Already we knew after the breakup of the alliance that new political equations had set in. But this time around, take for example whatever has happened in Western Maharashtra and Marathwada, BJP has made huge gains. Traditionally, the Congress and the NCP used to gain a lot with the Maratha vote bank, the OBC and the Dalits and the minority vote bank. But this time around, there has been a complete split in the Maratha vote bank, and NCP finds itself lost in its own bastion. Why just talk about Western Maharashtra and Marathwada? Even in Mumbai city, even in Mumbai rural areas, BJP has made great strides. Not just this, across the age groups, it has made good inroads. That says a lot about the popularity of Modi. And at the same time, Sana, let us also understand BJP never projected any chief ministerial candidate or a face here, and the electorate did not even ask for who the face of BJP was. It really shows the kind of confidence, the faith, if faith I could use the word, that people really have in Modi, that perhaps Achhe Din would really come to the state as well. So it says a lot. But if you were to go by this exit poll, the kind of numbers that we are showing for the BJP, 130 plus, definitely it really looks that BJP is now going to count on the independence, and perhaps in the days to come, Sana, we could see a little bit of a breakup in the NCP and the MNS as well.
Okay. All right, that seems to be rather interesting. Of course, the BJP, they're getting a majority, but not an absolute one. So that really opens up a plethora of, combinations in the days to come. Thanks so much, Pankaj, for joining us.